Arigato. Let us begin. Karaisna. So, Kulumbai.
Mumbai,
And how do you say that in Japanese?
konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So, I am here to interview MIWA Sakuraki from Japan. We have seen you on social media that you have become very famous because you were Dokona.
Yes,
Yes, so-
thanks to her.
So I have been asked by our organizing committee to interview you once again. So yeah, I'd like to know your literary contributions to your language. Please tell us about that.
Japanese and one short story which we made with one of my friends. This is called Levi, my friend Haruka. His story was translated into Chinese, but so far only Japanese. Next book maybe in English.
So you have published only one book so far?
No. 3 books and several anthologies.
Okay. So they are mainly poems or
Uh,
stories?
Mainly fiction stories. But I was published some Japanese poems in the magazine.
So what is the genre? What is the subject of your literary creations?
Interested in relationship between different people.
Okay.
I think they might like this.
Social relationships.
Yes, not social, but mainly more, how can I, inner, like big mind.
Okay. Self and mind.
Relationship with
Okay.
different culture, from different culture, from different,
Okay.
and also minority,
Right.
some people.
Okay. So you have come from Japan.
Yes.
So it's your first time in India?
No, third time. First Benares, when I was a university student,
Alright.
and the second Kerala,
Okay.
and this time third.
Alright. So you're from which city of Japan?
Fukuoka, south of Japan.
Okay. So here you have seen, like, some people here, the Boro women or girls, they look like Japanese. What's your observation and opinion on that?
I have no idea, but I saw yesterday in social media. Thanks to Iris and so I wore
Dokona.
dokona, and people say I look like Bodo. So
Yeah, you look like Boro. So in this 2 days of the festival, what is your overall experience so far? Experience, your thoughts, experiences on the festival.
I was impressed by people actually because you have diversity, and you are proud of your culture and the language, and also still they share together. And I was impressed by the last night they in front of fire.
Fire.
Yeah,
That perform.
and they share the time together, fire and poetry, and they laugh together. I was so impressed. It was wonderful.
I was also there. So did you find some kind of similarities between your culture and our culture over here?
Maybe modesty and yes,
What about the food habits?
how is it different? but I love
Yeah, but you live. I think in Japan you have the chushi.
yes,
Yes.
we have sushi, but yes, it's very fresh for me here because material different and how to eat different. We use chopsticks in Japan, but you use hand very well.
Right. So let me go back to the your literary creations. So nowadays, this age is the age of digitization and AI, etc.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
So how do you see the future of literature in this generation?
Difficult. Yes, it's difficult. This is a good question, but this is difficult.
Yeah.
Yes. What can I say? But I think so. When we read literature, so we are touched by, of course, this expression, but also we can feel somebody wrote this, somebody felt this.
Right.
This is it moved people too.
Right.
So so this is important thing too. So in this point,
Right.
AI cannot.
Right. So haiku is a famous Japanese poem.
Yes.
I went to one temple where you can write poems on leaves. It's there. Yeah.
Really?
Yes. So can you tell me a little bit about that background? Like Japanese people used to write poems on leaves, something like that. That I
Oh,
heard.
leaves.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
You have no idea. We went to one such temple in Japan.
You know
Yeah.
where better than
We,
me.
we wrote something on that and it remains there.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, but this is because it's very short,
Right.
so you can
Yeah,
write
exactly.
different things,
Yeah.
even SNS to X to, because it's too very short.
Yeah. So would you like to say a little bit about the haiku poem? Haiku, that your Japanese short poems,
You mean I introduce one haiku or something?
or like the background,
A
or
background, okay. So this is rhythm like ta 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 ta. This is tanka, and the haiku is more shorter. 行く春を近江の人と惜しみたる。This is like this, so it's rhythmical and it's very fit with Japanese rhythm and sound.
right, the rhythm and sound. Right?
Yeah.
That's great. So,
And also they have rule in haiku. You should one word, one phrase about season,
Okay.
like spring. Or, you put something to show the season. Because we have 4 seasons in Japan.
Okay.
So haiku, you should put one word connected to season. This is a rule. Yes.
okay. So, what's your suggestion for us to improve this festival in future coming days?
I think that I can feel passion about people, and so I can feel people enjoy a lot. So this is great, and also you broadcast through SNS. I think you do very well. So maybe it's like now. So you can maybe introduce different writers from different places, and they can spread. I will do this.
Right.
Yeah.
So, are you in some kind of profession right now in teaching or anything?
No, I'm just
Right.
later. Yeah.
That's great. So hopefully, some kind of literary exchange between Japanese and Bodo, or maybe some Indian languages, can be done in future. What's your view on that? Do you have any idea, any plan, like any kind of translation literature with Indian languages and
Yes,
Japanese?
yes, maybe because I know I can see Bodo people and other tribes. They make poetry. Yes, I want to know translation. So maybe in the festival, maybe you can introduce those poems in English, and also like some foreigners make poems and they introduce
Right.
translate.
Translate.
Maybe same theme or something.
Okay. Yeah.
In Tanka,
Right.
we have this tradition. For example, we go to picnic together, or we have same title, and they make
Oh, the Tanka is a genre of literature or a kind of a
poetry.
poetry? Oh yeah,
Poetry.
yes, that's it.
Little bit longer than haiku, but
Haiku.
it's still short, and it's older
Okay. Older.
haiku.
Older than haiku. Okay. So how many years old? Like any idea?
I don't know, but from I don't know 5th century, 6th century.
Five
This is
centuries.
very old
Oh,
tradition.
that's great. So Thank you so much. Arigato.
Thank you so much too. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
ありがとう。
ありがとう。Thank you.
Thank you so much.